Motor's on. Gear come up?
Yeah, remember they're just real slow. Oh, you got it now. That takeoff was awful sketchy. Yeah. But I looked at the flag just as you was fixing to take off. You was going with the wind, really.
Got the lift.
Let me know if you need any help with trims.
Okay, let's check the trims. Got 3 clicks to the right on the ailerons. It's hands off. Just a second. Hands off now.
Looks like a couple more.
It looks like. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Couple more?
Yeah, just a second. Going around you. Okay. Right there. What's that look like? Good?
Let's drop in the left just a smidge.
Okay.
Maybe 2 more clicks and you'll be good.
The wind's through our back, right?
Yeah. Well, more or less.
But it flies really easy, except for that takeoff. You did get that on your camera, didn't you?
I did. I'll have to edit out the S-bomb that I dropped. I try to keep my channel family friendly.
Oh, she's on the runway hitting that way.
I just knew you was going to hit that fence, man.
I thought it was just my angle. I said, man.
No. It come real close to the, he saved it right at the last minute and got, I would have panicked. But cool cucumber Jim here, he just...
Out of the movie Pearl Harbor when the guys are taking off. One of them said, we're not going to make it, we're not going to... Oh yeah, she's nice.
That was a great airplane.
That was.
It was. The P-40 was awesome.
What got me hooked on those was that John Wayne movie.
Leather,
oh, I bet I don't
Leathernecks?
have
Yeah.
I don't have the voice set up on this. How much time I got? Can you see it?
Minute 18.
Oh crap, okay.
That's right.
What size batteries in that?
4,000.
4S 4000?
Yeah, I think it calls for a 33, 37, so I should have plenty of time.
What did you set your timer at to start with? 5?
Probably 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But I didn't set up the voice, I can tell you that now, because I hadn't heard it.
Right.
Just bring the gear down.
Looking good, Jim.
Putting the throttle down some. Rocking it.
That's to let us know you're there. Come this way, you're in the rough. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got her back on the tail, too. Any landing that you can taxi your... Any landing where you can taxi back is a spectacular landing.
Exactly.
In my book, anyway. No, you didn't hit hard.
Enough room to turn it?
Oh, yeah.